Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel JS Invention. Today we are going to enjoy a beautiful waterfall at Meghalaya. It is Karang Suri Waterfall. Let's enjoy it. Karang Suri Waterfall is about 4 hours 42 minutes in time from Guwahati to Karang Suri. In kilometer it is about 186 km. It is the fastest route, which is via Shillong Bypass Road and National Highway 6. The Karang Suri Waterfall is one of the most popular and exotic places to visit in the northeast India and one of the top 5 waterfalls to see in the Meghalaya. The Karang Suri Waterfall is one such popular falls located about 30 km from Jowai in the district of West Jaintia Hills. Many of them are not aware of this waterfall. It is bluish in color and beautiful. There are a few steps to climb down to reach the waterfall. There is a small path leading to a cave behind the waterfall. Friends, I definitely say that this is the one of the best waterfall in India. Awesome is just a word to describe. The water is blue, so neat and clean. The best waterfall in India. A small trek to the waterfall where you can see the beauty of it. Also, you have changing rooms in case you go into the water under the fall. So that is an added bonus for you and us. The wonderful place for the path leading to the Karang Suri Waterfall, visitors has to cross a forest through a slippery stone. The Karang Suri Waterfall is indeed a majestic place to visit in the summer. One of the best falls. Had enough water even in the non-rainy season in December. Not many people visited this place as it is still unknown to many people. There are so less crowds. So friends, it is a great chance to visit here and discover a beautiful waterfall in the world. So friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please give thumbnail and please subscribe my channel.